Hey, Ray, this is Alex Merced, head of DevRel at Dremio, and I just want to show you a quick little, basic little hobby project that I made. It's called IceTop, basically a Iceberg desktop application. The idea here is just for you to be able to locally browse your catalogs. Now, again, this leverages PyIceberg. So in this case, in PyIceberg, there's a pyiceberg.yaml where you can put in all your catalog credentials. So basically, if you already have a pyiceberg.yaml on your machine, this should automatically detect it, so all your catalogs should just automatically, well, appear here. So here I have like a Dremio Cloud catalog, which you can get for free by signing up for Dremio Cloud's 30-day trial for free. Okay, and I can see all my tables. I can go in here. Cool. Okay, and I can see that there's a little SQ. I can run some SQL queries here. Again, probably very basic queries. You're not running queries on like a terabyte table because, again, this is using your local compute. But I can, do something like this, like select star from here, and we can run the query. It will, and there we go. So if we see the results of the table, okay, then I can. There's also a built-in chat, so you can configure your own LLM. So you code your settings, and you can configure your LLM settings, your database settings. Okay, so where does the application save stuff? And then also configure sort of like, hey, where is your pyiceberg.yaml? Where's your Python path? So that way you know sort of like what environment to use. So if you want to use like a virtual environment or something like that, all that can be configured here in the settings. But again, we have the chat window where I can sit there and do things like, hey, what is the schema of, and then I can just drag this over there. Okay, and I can just basically have the AI figure this stuff out for me. Again, probably a lot of things you can just kind of do pretty easily with the other tabs. Okay, I can't find any of that. Oh, okay, yep. I didn't have to take out the catalog name because again, the catalog name is actually not part of the name in the. So let me just take that. Is the right name. Okay, so it's gonna go do that, and there we go. So I got my schema back. Nice. Okay. Also, there's a built-in Python notebook, so you can run Python in here. There's a little place where you can browse which libraries you have installed, depending on your Python environment, and you can export the Python notebooks. You can create multiple Python notebooks, and then there's a metadata section where I can take a table name, drag it over here, and say, hey, I want, and there it goes. Okay, then here I can choose which catalog. So catalog and which table name within that catalog. And then I can go here, take a look at the schema, its partitions, its properties, its snapshots, and do things like that. So, I could easily go look up my metadata here and then go to my notebook or my SQL to do things like, roll back a table or things like that. So hopefully you guys find this is a cool tool to have. It's just a fun way to kind of browse Iceberg tables and just do some basic playing with Iceberg tables. Again, if you need a free catalog, you can always go sign up for Dremio's free trial. You can I made that really easy by putting a link right here that'll take you to where you can do that. And then there's a docs page right here, and again, your settings and all that. So have a great one. Hopefully you guys check this out. Put the link in the video description or wherever you're seeing this, and I'll see y'all later.